this path together until now. Though I cannot have you as mine, I'm grateful we shared a piece of the road together. Go in peace, my dear, the one I miss. If you find someone who loves you, treat them kindly so you won't drift apart like you and I did. May your life be brighter than the heavens above. Go well, my love, the one I cherish. In this lifetime I could only love you, not wed you. Our love remains a beautiful memory, bringing tears to both you and me. Our once bright sky has turned dark as I bid farewell to you. The